People, I don't understand what is going on, but just have a look at these things. Parliament sitting, at the last parliament sitting, I have noticed some of the things which I don't think you people may think otherwise, but I don't think our parliament is going the right way. Those are important things we have to see. Parliament is going to make a new...
Wait. The practice where practice lo parliament before, lo time lo samare, come down. Me finish pasem, me finish. Larim, order. Wait, I will give you opportunity to speak. Let me finish. Let me finish, and then you can give your argument. Wait. Suppose me like be animal, some you talk, yeah. Suppose me like be animal, some talk, you talk. You hurry me pass him. Hey, pass him mouse. Pass him. All right. Suppose me behind him or some talk, you talk. No good, you correct. Now me wrong, because lo read notice long 13th na 14th February. Me go back lo previous notice na me go look him. You wait. Me go back na me go look him. Wait. Harim. Time me go back na me go look him. Please, you hurry me pass him. Honorable member, can you listen to me first? Listen to me and let me explain it, and when I finish, you can come in. Wait. Member, you heard him. When I'm finished, I think that you can talk sorry on me. I believe what I'm saying. All right, Harim Pasem. Harim. Suppose me behind him also. Honorable member long. He require you will talk. On our member will sign lo here too. Is wrong too. Also blow you. Also on Narbla. Read to now is Fabia all 6 members. All 6 members name lo only tanim lo read too. It's not same. Yes, it is. It's a fact. All right. Wait. May explain him again. And if I want to do it exactly on that read, Arim. Honorable member, suppose me be same read to you, me talk now, you me talk exact name. You got another point to start me no come yet long, Me no Paul, the other member on the read here, member will not Bougainville, her name on the read. Her name on the read where Governor General let me sign him at that time. Now you want him, you let me finish. That's what I said. But then when we look at the notice of motion again, there is another failure in it, and that's what I'm highlighting. Now me no looking. Me looking. You black come kisim read, all the time black come kisim all copy blow read, slow parliament. And you went through it and you saw it. There's another one, if we have to follow the signatures on the read and the name of the read. The other one is the honorable member for North Bougainville. Her name on the read is Francisca Rihanna Semoso. And on the notice paper is only Francisca Semoso. So you see, that's what you are saying. Member, you wait. This is the point. You like talk, you me behind him, read straight them this liar. Yes?
W. Anything parochial is not a basis to reject appointee. Alright? So suppose one man talk maso hewabi or hewabi maso. You follow on him up. That's parochial. And same man. You clear? The whole country knows who.
Enough. Also me talk finish here. Okay, thank you. Point of order, Honorable Member of Sinasina Yangamun. I agree with that. I would want to go to the person who interprets the law, now interprets for us. I'm happy. My point is this. My point is this. My point is this. My point is this. My point. Because the motion of no confidence is an important matter. And if I entertain the motion, if I entertain the motion and it changes, it is successful, and it changes a prime minister or a government, and we go back to the court, someone goes back to the court and asks to interpret this part, and the court says it's the opposite. So what do you say? So for me, I am suggesting we have all the time to do this. Yes. And we do it right. Let me go to the court and you come with me and we ask the court to interpret this. Okay? I am happy. I am happy to do it here. Let the parliament decide now on that. How about that? Because I have made a decision that is not right. Allow the parliament to make the decision. Yes? Can we do that? Okay, wait. Advice block clerk economy. And we talk about decision block committee. Now you may be in committee. But suppose me also speaker, he like release, he overruling decision block committee. Wait, let me finish.
Mr. Speaker, in the chamber, committee no stop. You can override the committee too.
All right. That's what I want to say. That's what I want to say. That is what I want to say. If I have to override the committee's decision now, I will ask the parliament to make the decision on that. And that is to call for a vote. That is to call for a vote whether that notice is on the notice paper tomorrow or not. Okay? How about that? What is your point about the honorable member for hearing query?
Thank you kindly, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Supreme Court decision where you beside him, Polia versus Zuranwo, instead of this judgment, court here to talk the duties of when it comes to a matter of national importance, such as the VONC, the committee can be ignored. The notice gets to the clerk and the clerk can take it to the speaker and put it on. Go and read it! Go and read it, lawyer! Go and read it! Go and read it! So that's the spirit of the judgment, sir.
Thank you. You are correct. You are correct. It only says, you wait, let me answer his point of order. Honorable member query. Now. Honorable member of the query. Milek sentim name lo query here, you talking wrong. Milek talk me name lo member you same, you talking wrong. Come on. Get it right. Alright, Milek talk same. In the decision you talking me and court you same. You talk. Time committee is not available. Time committee and not available. Then the speaker, in his capacity as a chairman, can make a decision on that. But if the committee is available and the committee has dealt with it, the decision of the committee has come out on that. But now, Arim got committee now. Inside the decision too. Suppose me read him krangem with up. Suppose he come on the floor. Now, parliament, when parliament can make him decision on this law. And it means that now I'm calling. Now I'm saying, because he is a motion, whether to be put on the notice paper or not on the notice paper, you wear him sulohap, olia oli wala support lo su oli wear him lahap. Mina melmana mi wala tok tokol sem now melwan. I want to do it right. So now, based on this, being back in decision now, by me vote. Yes, in the fair interest of this country. You may vote that notice be put, that VONC be put on the notice paper tomorrow or not, based on the committee decision.